You can't compare NOS to any other energy drink. Except Monster. Monster sucks. What are you, retarded? Monster's the best. Well, I disagree. I have the targets in my sight. Steady now. Okay. Oh shit, Bill! Oh, what the fuck was that? Oh shit, I gotta get out of here. Shit, one of them got away. Send a head crab death squad after them. Okay guys, let's get him. Oh shit, dead end. Luckily I had my grappling hook. Where is he? Okay, on 3. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Damn, he got away. I gotta get out of here fast. Not so fast. Get out of my fucking way! You're not getting away this time. Oh, shit. Mission accomplished.